If you want to input SIM cards into your Realme 14 Pro, first of all, you have to locate SIM tray, which is located at the bottom, and also you will have to find SIM tool, which is located in your box. So now you will have to insert this one inside this one, and when it is inside, you will have to press, there we go, then just remove your SIM tool, take it off from the slot. And now I'm gonna put it closer. As you can see right here, you can find two slots. So I can recommend you to put it into the first one with this cutout at the top, just like that. And now if you want to put it back, you will have to just rotate and hold the bottom part with your finger, because in the other way, this can actually fall out of your slot. And now you will have to align this dot with the dot that is actually on the slot. So like that. And now just press by using your finger, just do this slowly. And now as you can see, the SIM card is inside.